Welcome back everyone to my channel, Origami Kid 3. I'm going to be showing you a brief demo of this double-sided ninja star. And if you want to make this double-sided ninja star, check out Rob's World's channel from Rob's World. He makes the double-sided ninja star, so if you want to make it, watch this video. But this is just a cute little clip of the double-sided ninja star. It closes. It closes and then it opens. Open it with one hand. Try to open it with one hand. See, double-sided ninja star. Almost like a Naruto edition ninja star. It's like really cute, really cool. But if you guys want to see more of this video in the future of an actual tutorial, please subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell if there is one. And comment down below to see if you guys want to watch this video on how to make a double-sided ninja star. So ninja away, peoples! Oh, it even spins. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Origami Kid 3 here. Peace. Turn it the other way.